In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stack lists Trello, even though Trello boards are designed to display lists horizontally by default. If you've ever wanted to organize your board vertically or create clearly separated sections inside your lists, this tutorial will walk you through simple workarounds you can use right away. By the end of this video, you'll know multiple ways to visually stack or structure your Trello lists for better organization and productivity. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips and productivity tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. Then navigate to the board where you want to stack or organize your lists. Once you're inside your Trello board, you'll notice that all lists are arranged horizontally from left to right. This is Trello's default layout, and currently there isn't a built-in setting that allows you to switch to a vertical stacked list view. However, there are a few simple methods you can use to simulate stacking and create a more structured layout. To begin, you can create your lists as you normally would in the horizontal layout. Click on Add Another List on the right side of your board. Type in the name of your list, then click Add List. Repeat this process to create all the lists you need for your workflow. Even though they appear side by side, we're going to structure them visually so they feel more organized and grouped. One quick way to manage space and reduce clutter is by collapsing lists you're not actively working on. To do this, click the three dots at the top of a list, then choose Collapse List. This will shrink the list into a compact bar, giving you more vertical focus on the lists that matter most. While this doesn't technically stack lists vertically, it helps you create a cleaner, more controlled visual structure on your board. Another effective workaround is to use visual separator cards inside your lists. For example, you can create a new card at the top of a list by clicking Add a Card. Instead of adding a regular task, type a title in all caps or add symbols like dashes or emojis to make it stand out. For example, you could type something like --high priority --, or use colored square emojis. Then click Add Card. This acts as a visual divider inside the list. You can also click on the card to open it, add a colored label, and even bold the text in the description to make it more noticeable. This creates the effect of stacked sections within a single list. To create spacing between sections, you can add blank or minimal text cards between groups of tasks. Click Add a Card, press the spacebar once, or type a simple dash and save it. This creates a visible gap that separates different categories of work. When combined with highlighted header cards, this method allows you to simulate vertical stacking within the horizontal Trello layout. If you want even more flexibility, you can explore Chrome extensions such as List Layouts for Trello. Open the Chrome Web Store, search for a Trello List Layout extension, and install one that allows custom board layouts. Once installed, refresh your Trello board and follow the extension's instructions to rearrange lists into rows or alternative layouts. This is especially useful if you prefer a more grid-based or vertically stacked visual structure. Just keep in mind that extensions only affect how the board appears in your browser and may not apply to other users unless they install the same extension. So to quickly recap, Trello lists are horizontal by default, but you can stack or structure them visually by creating and organizing lists normally, collapsing unused lists to reduce clutter, adding separator cards with bold or highlighted titles, inserting spacing cards to divide sections, and optionally using browser extensions for advanced layout customization. These simple techniques can dramatically improve how your board looks and feels, especially if you're managing large projects or multiple workflows. That's how to stack lists Trello using practical and easy workarounds. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Trello tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.